For something different. This is gonna be a little bit different video. This is like a doorbell thermostat transformer, 24 volt out, multiple inputs as you can see there. Hopefully, 120, 208, 240. Say I wanted to get 240 out of this. I have two options. What would they be? Give you pause this. See what you can think if you can think of anything. There's two ways that you could do this. You could either put 24 volts in, say through a variac, or just another transformer that puts out 24 volts, and then you could get 240 out, although you're probably going to be limited by whatever the size of the other transformer is, or this particular transformer, and that's probably going to be more lossy than the other way. The other way you can do it is not isolated, so it's not as safe, but you can also use this as an autotransformer like a variac. So you take the white neutral on the primary, hook that to your load. In this case, the black's 120. Hook that to your 120, and then the orange is 240. You'd hook that to your 240 load, and basically you hook 120 into between the neutral and the black, and then the transformer here, the rest of that winding turns into auto transformer and boosts that voltage up to 240 output, and you got 240 out of this thing. And you can do the same for, say, 208. Same idea. If you want 208, or if you wanted to put 208 in and got 120 or 240, same idea. You can do the same thing with the low voltage. If you want 208 or 120, you can do it that way too. Or if you want to do something weird, you could put, say, if you wanted, say 30 volts or something, you could put something between 208 and 240, and then you'd have an output there. Or you could use that as an input. Something like this. I've never actually saw another transformer like this before for this type of inputs. You usually get them to either 120 or 240, or they have separate windings, or you have parallel windings or series on them, or this is kind of a little bit different angle. It's kind of small though, so I did use this for checking a contactor though. And that's what gave me this idea, because I needed to add 120 available. I wanted to check a 240 coil contactor, so I just used this to boost the voltage. But something like this, I don't know exactly what I'll use it again. I'm just going to put it back in the box, and I might throw it in my tool drawer, and then if I need something smaller to test things again, I hook this up, and then I have probably whatever voltage I would need.